Hey neighbor, Greg here with growhouse.com, and we did something absolutely crazy this year, something unheard of. We've been so blessed to have your business. If you don't know us, we're in the gardening business. We sell tools, supplies, everything to do with growing your own food. And this year, we're giving away this premium Polaris Ranger. Now, I want to show this to you today because this thing is awesome. And we're doing a giveaway this fall all the way to December the 1st. There'll be a drawing, and one lucky winner will have this nice piece of equipment here. But this is not your average base model here. We had this baby all tricked out, and I want to show that to you today. Well, first of all, this is a Premium Ranger edition, and it is I call it the two-seater. They call it something else, but it's the two-seater basically for me. But the Ranger Premium Edition has the bigger tires on it there. This color here is the graphite gray. Of course, we got the, Get Dirty and the Hall signs on it. It looks black to me, but they call it the graphite gray. It's absolutely gorgeous here. I love the blackout look there on the wheels. I'm a big fan of that. Of course, it's got the netting there that comes with the doors there to keep everything safety feature. But what about this? A winch on the front. Look here. It's got that nylon or some type of rope here. It's a heck of a lot better than the old cable we used to use here. I don't know what size this thing, oh, is it there? It's 4,500 pounds here. Look at there. Rolls in, rolls out from a button inside there. But it's also got a remote to it that you can stand outside and, make it operate from there. That thing's absolutely cool here. We got this additional front bumper on here, this heavy duty steel. We knew we had to trick this thing out. We added this rack here. Of course, it's got our pretty signage on there, but this rack here can easily be took off or put back on, and these little clips here on the back side, how you can lock it in. I think this is pretty cool, especially if you're hauling things that's a little bigger than normal right there. And look here, this bed dumps. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. You want to haul topsoil, compost, whatever, take it out here, and you can dump, put it back down when you get ready here. That's really handy. Nice steel bumper. And look here, it's got a receiver hitch just like your pickup does, so you can put a ball in there to pull a trailer around, or you can put one in there with those hook things on there, so if you get it stuck on the backside, you can pull it out. Now, the most impressive thing to me is this top right here. Woo, this thing is cool. So inside of here, it's got the radio and the light system built in. It's got this Bluetooth thing where you can play your music from your phone. So if you got a playlist you like to listen to, hit a button and it just plays from there. Plus, it's got the regular AM, FM radio there. It's got all the light controls up here. Let's turn these lights on here. These are LED lights. We got the front ones, we got the back ones, and we got the big light bar here in the front. Now, let me tell you something, folks. It's daytime now, but this thing will light up the world. And what about this external radio antenna? You want to go through some woods, just take it and you can flip it down out of your way, or you can flip it back up. The front windshield on my personal one is plexiglass, but this one here is real glass, and it pops up. Now this is just like your automobile glass. It's got all that shatterproof stuff to it, so it's nice and safe. So you can flip it up or you can flip it down, and you got the real deal glass on the front and in the back. That's real glass there as well. Did I tell you this top was pretty awesome? This is still none of that flimsy plastic stuff. I'm a big old boy. Let's just say around 250-ish pounds. Holds me up fine. And you got cargo room up here. Imagine putting your boxes or stuff up there and strapping it down. All kind of options. Tailgate latch is just like on your old pickup truck. I love that. Plus you got these little cup holders here. Nice and strong. And we got a tie down all four corners back in the bed. And what about storage? You never get enough storage. The front seat here has got a bunch of storage. Look at that deep box right there. And if that's not enough, back seat does the same thing. You got storage here as well. And on the inside, we have this little button here where you can run one wheel, you can run two wheels, you can put it forward drive, just hitting a button. And what about dome lights? We got two of them here. Hit a button, one in the front, one in the back, comes on. Got to have cup holders, got them everywhere, and of course we got a glove box, more storage. Now you would think I'm a Polaris salesman, but I'm rather proud of this right here. We had it all tricked out. We thought, what would our customers really enjoy? What could we do for them? Because we've been so blessed to have your business, and we appreciate it so much. So we thought doing a tricked out side by side, most people could use this right here. It's great around the farm, great to use in the garden, but it's just a world of fun regardless where you use it. So how do you win it? Well, for every dollar you spend with us, you get 1 entry. We've run this program for 3 months. It's going to be winding up soon. The end of November, the last day of November is the cutoff, and we'll do the drawing the first couple of days in December and find out who the lucky winner is. This particular model has a 2-year warranty on there. This is going to make a fine piece of equipment so somebody can enjoy for years and years and years. We hope to be able to do this next year. We hope we can do it every year going forward so we can do something really special for our customers so we can have a fall giveaway to make your life a lot easier.